What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And in this week's video, we are seeing a property here west of Ajijic. This is a really special property. It's actually two separate buildings that can be separated into 4 separate units. So this property is really going to appeal to someone, I think, that is looking for a rental income. So you could live in one of the 4 units and rent out the other 3 units. They all have their own individual entrance, they all have their own bathrooms, they all have their own kitchenettes, some have a bigger kitchen. Each of the rooms have views of the lake. I mean, every single room in this property has air conditioning units. The property actually has its own backup battery system for the electric. Let me walk you through this fabulous property here west of Ajijic, guys. And as for usual, all the information will be down below in the description. Let me know if you want to come and see this one, okay? You'll love this one if you're looking for a great rental property, guys. The video is on its way. Coming off the main street here, you have this driveway up, electric gates to take you in to the main driveway. I mean, as you can see, it's very ample, lots of parking space here. I'm going to walk you through first the main property, which we have just here in front of us. Coming up some stairs into the main entrance. So coming into the main room here, the main living room, it's an open concept. You've got the kitchen to your left-hand side here, and behind that we have the dining room. Look at this great room, nice high ceiling. So we've got like double height ceilings here that slope down to take our view out onto this covered terrace. Just come and check out the views today of Mount Garcia. So we're coming into the dry season now. But beautiful time of year. The mornings are cooler, the evenings are a little bit cooler. I'll walk you through this main living area. First of all, here to my left-hand side, we have the guest bathroom, lovely Calavera sink, this really ample size, comfortable size kitchen, lots of space for working, with a stove to my right-hand side. This is where we came in, and in here, this is the principal bedroom. Here we have the ensuite bathroom for the master bedroom. All right, let's take you downstairs. So we go down some stairs here, and this is where this unit can be completely locked off. This room also has great views of the lake, even though you are one level below. Next to the bedroom, we have a full bathroom. What a great size casita. What you do here is use this door as the lock-off door. So this casita turns into a 1-bedroom studio casita with your full bathroom here. Okay, guys? Just so you get an idea. All right, let's take you back upstairs. And I'm going to walk you around to the other building that has 2 more casitas. Oh, just to point out, this house is fully solar. That covers all your costs when it comes to your electricity bills. beautiful garden here. So we walk through this garden, and if you wanted to, just to point out, if you wanted to, guys, that there is plenty of space either here to construct a swimming pool. I mean, there is plenty of space. As you can see, the lot goes all the way back to the wall here. I don't know if you can actually make that out. And then in front of me is the new construction of the 2 separate casitas. So we're going to walk up a few more steps. I'm going to take you into the bottom one first, and then we'll go upstairs. But they're very similar. The bottom one is actually a little bit bigger. These casitas rent out for about $750 US a month. The kitchen is actually a really nice size. You may be wondering, does it come with views as well? And you are absolutely right, it does. You do have views in the distance of Mount Garcia. Coming up to the second level, the views open up. As you can see, we have the solar panels here on the roof. Coming in, this would be the 3rd casita. Almost identical to the one downstairs. Again with the ensuite bathroom, walk-in shower, very nice. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. That's it from me, guys. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.